Hi, welcome to the Gambling Gardeners. I'm Stan. This is Rana and Brian.
And we are closing out 2025. We had a pretty successful year as far as our garden is concerned. It was one of the best yet. We really dug into fertilization, companion planting, and weather protection more so than we had in other years. One of the crops that was really successful for us was our onions. We were really excited to see how many onions we grew compared to prior years. And we want to show you a little bit about how that went. So let's check it out.
Harvested today, but
Look at the size of that
look at
guy.
that onion.
Beautiful.
That's fantastic. It looks great. I mean,
Short.
these are seed onions
Yeah.
right here. These are from our seeds that we started in February, maybe
Yeah.
even before that. So the seed onions they turned out, they're great. And it kind of show you an example of the difference in onions that we did here. Over here, look at this one. Here's another one. Let's go ahead and pull this one out. Look at how big that is. That is
Beautiful.
beautiful onion. These are sweet white, yellow sweet
I think they're Vidalias.
Vidalias.
Yeah.
So again, these are seeds, and then we had this whole row here of 2 rows, and I think this is just a combination of the bed being a little bit too wet down at this end, but these ones here are the bulbs. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this
They're all
one.
coming out. Yep.
Look at the difference.
Oh, wow.
I
Yeah.
mean, and the rate of survival too. I mean, there's only 3 of these compared. I mean,
Wow.
this is the bulbs, this is the seeds. Quite a difference. I mean, they're both edible, but this one definitely looks like a better. And we don't know when we didn't look close enough at the package when we bought it. We don't know if these are long day or short days. But here in the South, we have the short day onions, which these Vidalias are our short days. So that's pretty exciting too. All right, so you can see we do have some of our winter crops in here. We got our winter onions here. We got some seeds. We got some bulbs that we have in here. These aren't going to require any fertilizer over the winter time. We'll wait till spring where they're get a good fertilizer early in the spring and make sure that they're growing good. One thing that we've done this year that we didn't do in previous years, we added irrigation. So this has really helped us this year in getting a good growth or getting a good yield on our onions. But obviously we have the winter, we're here in the middle of winter, so we do have our water shut off right now. We're hoping Mother Nature will take care of that. I don't think there's a whole lot of growth going on in the wintertime here based on the temperature of the soil. So there's just a couple we have going here. We're hoping that come springtime, we'll get a nice, strong, you can see they're starting to grow. We've had, gosh, some heavy frost last night. It got down to 20s. It's supposed to be down in the teens this week. So they hold up well. They'll make it through it. They're I think we made a mistake. Some of these are short day and we're supposed to have long day.
That's right. Some of the seeds are long day, and we need short day seeds, or short day seeds, I would say, grow better in our climate.
And we have a few other ones growing here. These we're not having as good as luck on right now. We got these in the ground, the seeds. There's a few growing, so we're just going to let this bed go as it is. That's where our onions are right now, and I think can't wait till spring to see you guys again, and hope you guys enjoy your holidays and have a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you next year.
Yeah, and remember, come grow with us.